give you a really quick update this morning. Last week we showed you what was going on in the inside with regard to what our framers were doing. As you can see behind me, we've got the covering over the porch, and behind the building, or on the side of the building, we've got the ramp. We're just so excited that the framing portion is coming to an end, and we would ask that you pray that phase 2 will be able to start soon. We need about $50,000 to go into phase 2, which would be the electrical, the plumbing, the insulation, and the sheetrock. So please continue to pray with us. Thanks for your support, and we look forward to more updates in the future.